guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm actually going to be trying out a new company. This is everything that I got in my packaging. Very nice. I love the orange. And let's get into the actual wig. So this wig is kind of like a bob. It's a short wig and this is how it looks. So I am going to be doing a full customization of this unit. It didn't come plucked enough for me, so I did pluck it. And of course I did bleach my knots and shampoo this unit. And I did deep condition it. So you guys are gonna see the full effects in this one. So everything is done now. I'm gonna go ahead and install it. I finished shampooing, conditioning, blow drying, plucking, all of that I finished off camera, and now we're installing. So for this install, I'm actually gonna be doing two hairstyles for you guys. I'm gonna install it as is, like this, and then I'm gonna go ahead and curl it. So you can do 2-in-1 hairstyles with this unit, a straight cute little bob, or a curly cute little bob. And I'm just gonna be showing you all that today. If you guys have seen my videos before, you know that I have a larger head, and this wig actually fit. So that was very nice. I think I got like a size medium. That's typically the size that I get, or a large, but I think this one was like an average size. But it fit, so yay to that. As far as the hair goes, you will need to do a little bit of work, like I said, with the plucking and bleaching. Other than that, the hair is very, very nice, and I would recommend. So stay tuned to the end for the two styles. The links are also in the description box below if you want to check them out. Also, be sure to like this video if you liked it, of course, and subscribe to my channel for more. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you all in the next one.